But let us not forget this. Let us not forget the disaster that you see that went all the way down. Let us not forget those days, because those days are potentially back upon us. And yes, the stock market really collapsed and the Dow all the way down. That was economic disaster. And we've come back up, and people have made some money if they didn't sell out at the bottom, or if they weren't forced out to cash in their retirement to meet their daily and monthly and weekly living standard so that they could pay their electric bill or whatever. Here, we can take people that were once in the real estate market, in the automobile market, areas of the economy that have been devastated. You could come here with no experience. We'll help you make money daily. We will teach you how to trade. You will be guided in and out of your trades. So if there's economic disaster, it would be nice to see you profit from the disaster and not be a victim to this economy and the people who are running it. And you as a person deserve more in life than what you're being dealt with right now. We are here. We care about you. You can come and visit us once again at www.stockmarketpending.com. The market's forward-looking. Potential disaster. Stock markets around the world have also started to correct. The commodity-related names have started to go down. Some of the energy stocks are starting to pull back. Some of the construction-type stocks are starting to pull back. There are lots of different areas, but we do know one thing for sure. The stocks like Goldman Sachs and JP Morgan and other stocks like that that led the market higher are the ones that are leading it down. And you do not want the leaderships in the various different sectors to start selling off. They're not getting support levels yet. And remember, there has to be a resolution, because economic disaster is just what it is. And if the markets don't feel that there's any kind of resolution, that's what you and I are looking for, is that we could go substantially lower. Technically, chart pattern wise, economically, but chart pattern wise, it's starting to show that deterioration. How far down we go will be dependent on a lot of federal policies and government changes, and the people that run the Treasury Department, the people that run the FDIC, Mr. Obama. Look, if they do the cap and trade this year, if we don't get a resolution to the health care bill that's on the table, if the deficit keeps climbing higher, you and I, no one will stop these markets from going down through the rest of this year into 2011. The Bush tax cuts are at risk, and we cannot keep raising taxes and spending more money. And basically, I think the people that are running the Treasury Department right now, Mr. Geithner, he probably, if he is removed, there would be a new appointment, and that would help the market. Because then you got to remember, when he was appointed, people were very unhappy with that. And, you know, so we've had all of these hearings come out and all the things that he defended last week. We have a lot on our plate here in America today. And basically, you need to protect your assets. And you probably need to come to stockmarketpending.com school, because daily you can make money going up. You make money going down. We teach you how to trade options. We teach you everything. If there's going to be economic disaster, potentially, then you need to profit from it. Have a good weekend. This is our weekly market cap. If you want to learn more in detailed subject, other than just listening to the tape, call us today.